project, it's on the Bocom Hills, and most it's a making pathway around the granny flat. First, it's a simple project to make the access and looks nice for the new build. Sorry, what's that granny flat? And we decided to do the timber slipper as a garden timber edge and concrete it to the post. Also laying the 600 by 400 concrete pavers as a step stone and cover it by the wood mat and white pebbles all around the house. What we did, we need to set the line of the edges and try to make it level, at least looks level. If you have the big difference of the edges, you need to dig down and cut it to make it in one line, starting from the beginning to the end. When you're looking from the entrance, it's all in one line. And also we cut the grasses by the whipper stripper, and also I spray the weed killer, and we do it later before laying the pebbles in 2-3 days later, because it's the winter, it's affect a bit slow on the grasses. So we dig a post. What I'm doing, always laying the slippers, because some of them it's not exactly 3 meter long, and going to sides and the holes, it will be wrong at the end if you do it before the laying slippers. Now I'm laying the slippers next to each other. We have 2 posts on each. This is the first one, not doing in the beginning, a bit there, and also the post will be lower than the pebbles and will cover the side by the pebbles. 1 post in the joints, then we can screw to each slippers, 2 in this one and 2 in the other one, and going through the end every 3 meter another post. We're digging down about 300 and concrete it. As you can see, we're laying the line of a slipper. Now we know exactly where is the post for the joints, and the other one as well. This one is a bit low, and we need to build like a retaining wall and fill it up, and then coming to that side, going straight to the concrete slippers, that line, and all it's a 600 by 400 slippers around, access for the bedroom, and then going to the other side as well. I'll show you what we done later. Okay guys, just quickly, I don't have enough charge to show it. I set the post and put the concrete dry around it to hold it, and then we continue and screw it. At the end, check the line, all the slippers together in one line, then add the water to the concrete. Quick set concrete around the post. So as you can see, it's very easy to set the line, and yeah, use the concrete. So guys, as you can see, it's easy, just set the line. This is a timber garden edge, we install it always, and laying 3 meter 150 by 50 thread pine H4 slippers, and then we install the posts in the joints. 2 posts is enough, one in that side and the other one in the end, and joining 2 slippers together, and screw it by the galvanized screw from the side to the post, and then check the line, put the concrete, quick set concrete, and then add water on the holes. So guys, the garden edge done, and it's going there to be a retaining wall, 3 courses to close that and fill up by the pebbles as a drainage, and continue the line through the pathway, level it, and also laying the underlay, because this backyard is a bit higher than that concrete slab, and if it's a rainwater going to the garage, I make a channel there. I fill up by the pebbles and cover it by underlay and the turf. If the water going that way, some collected and run off from the concrete slab. Enough. Good morning, guys. We're back to the job. Actually, the plan was to laying the pavers today, but we're waiting for the Adbury delivery. It should be came yesterday, but now in the morning, and I'm waiting for it. What we're doing, we left over from the previous project some pebbles, and also we're moving that and using for the leveling. We did a good leveling in that side, also in the main pathway through there. We need to lift up and fill up that part. It looks like a retaining wall, and it's better to add the pebbles there. The water can go through, not stopping and damaging the timber or pushing the edges. All concreted. This tree, it's more deeper than the other post. Other post is about 20 to 30, but this one is each 500 half meter to the soil, to the ground, and concreted around it. If you look at from the outside, there is a post, and also in the other side is the post, and this is a corner. Screw it together and through the post, and this is the other side. This is this side. So this is the final leveling, and then we're laying wood mat on top and peg, and we set the lines by the pegs, the star bars. These pegs. And this line as well. This is 1.3. Maybe we need laying 2 line of the wood mats. Our wood mat is 900 by 25. We need 2 line of the wood mat trick. That's mean the water can go through the soil, but not stopping the light to growing the seeds or any grasses. This is $25 for 25 meter. I normally buy 100 meters line because it's a bit easier. But in these days it's not available all kind of wood mats. Some of them. The other one it's 1.8 wide. This is 900. 1.8 is too much for that pathway. This is going 1 line, other side 1 line. This is 1 meter. Okay, let's do that. So, good morning, guys. We're back to the job after 3 days heavy rain, and we're coming to install the pavers. The pavers are 600 by 400. I divided the wide one 600 because the passway is wide 1.4. And how we set the line? I measure 600 1.4 minus pavers, and then equal side in both sides of the pavers, 400 and 400, and this is 600 for the pavers. And we're laying, starting from the point going to the end, 200 or 250 between the pavers is a space, comfort to walking. And also this is a curved side coming and then straight going to the entrance, and the pavers for the laundry access. So we mix the concrete. This is a ready mix concrete bags, bastion from the Bunnings, and I mix it not too wet, not too dry, and then laid around the pavers following the line and level it in two direction, then going to the end. When I'm going through, I check the width mat always covering to the end, to the sides, and should be good. We try to do this part and the other part in the other side of the house today, and this is the second day. We have 75 pavers, and I think it's take about 2 to 3 days to install all pavers, and then laying pebbles 30 to 40 around it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
the front. Let's go through, see how it looks like. And finally clean up the job.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.